Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today we're making an old classic, my kids' favorite classic, sweet rice. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, on the stove I got 2 cups of boiling salt water that is boiling. And I'm going to add some long grain white rice. And I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of long grain white rice. Okay, let's get over here and stir this and let's get this going. Okay, adding in the rice to that boiling hot water. Going to give it a couple of stirs. It's got about a teaspoon of salt in there. Okay, let's let that go. Okay, now here's the rice. Water has already got out of here, and that's good. Okay, so the next thing, we're going to have some cream. And you can use heavy cream. So we're going to use about 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Heavy cream is what they call it. It's just heavy whipping cream. And see how milky and silky that look, and we're going to put that in there. And then we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. That's 1. And that's 2. 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to let that melt in there in that really heavy cream. And we got this on very, very low now. You could try a 1/2 cup sugar, so just do a 1/2 cup and take a 1/2 cup and like separate the 1/2 cup, stir it in there, taste it, taste how sweet you like it. Some people might not like it as sweet. So I am using a different type of sugar. I'm using a low fat diet sugar. So it's a low calorie, sweet and low sugar. So this is a 1/2 cup of sugar. Okay, here we go. We have our broccoli and cheese sauce. We have our fried chicken wings and our sweet creamy rice. Let's plate this up. Hey guys, I hope you like our show today and I hope you come back for another episode. Please like, share, and subscribe to our show. Here it is. We made this. You and me. We did this together. Sweet rice, doing some chicken wings and broccoli and cheese. So I see you next time. Bye.